Hello from the American Muscle Car Museum in Melbourne, Florida. Today out from a collection we have something rare, unique, limited production, 1969 Yenko Chevrolet Camaro. This car is done in a LeMans Blue, and this is actually the very unique thing about this car is this is #1 produced out of the 198 cars that Don Yenko made for that year. This was also Don Yenko's developmental test mule and personal car. In October of 1968, Don Yenko placed an order for 50 Copo Camaros. He worked with Vince Piggins to create a couple of Copo numbers to, in a sense, help Don streamline the process where he didn't have to pull the 396s out. He could order them with the 427s in place. On the 427 motor, and that was part of the Copo 9561 package, 4¼ horse, Don actually re-rated it to 450 horse after he made his tunes, and it fell in line with the NHRA guidelines. 11:1 compression, mechanical solid lifter cam, aluminum high-rise, 780 Holly on it. These would go into two options on transmission. Majority of them were the Muncie M21 4-speed, which went into 170 of those, or you had the optional Turbo 400, which went into 28 of the cars. Power to the ground would be in a BE 12-bolt positive traction axle, and these would come with a 4:10 final drive ratio. As we come to the interior, Don ordered all those Yenkos with the standard black interior, code 711, and also he ordered without consoles. Unique to this car is we have the original headliner, door panel, seats to the car. Also added where Don touches was a SYC on the headrest. As we come around to the dash, very straightforward. This was the first year the key was on the column instead of in the dash. And this also shows the original mileage on the car of 9,966 miles. This car was sold at the time for $3,575. Hell of a buy back then. You got the heavy duty suspension, which means increased spring rate, a better shock. Better cooling in it as you had increased capacity and a curved neck radiator. The other part of the sports car Copo conversion and the 9737 come with a 13/16 front sway bar. On the wheels you got a 15/7 rally wheel with a raised white letter tires, and it also came with a 140-mile speedometer on the interior. As you can see, this car is done in a LeMans Blue, gorgeous color, really fits the car, and he would put his unique badging on. We have the front spoiler and the rear spoiler. You have the stripes on the side. Under the car, these came with the dual exhaust, and as you can see looking under this car, this is a high quality, well done restoration on this. From Bill Warner and Mark Becker of Amelia Island to be invited in 2017 to have this on display with the 10 most influential Camaros. This will also be featured on the cover and inside the book of Muscle Car Special Editions by CarTech coming out in 2021 in the fall. This car is listed in the Copo and the Yenko Supercar Registry. We have extensive documentation and the original paperwork and bill of sale with this car. It'll now be joining the almost 30 other Yenko Camaros in the collection. More information on this car and the over 330 cars in the American Muscle Car Museum, please visit AmericanMuscleCarMuseum.com. Once again, thank you for watching.